Just want to see, is it going to continue to sell off? That would be the biggest thing right there. All right, now also looking at this, let's take a look. Amazon, another interesting buy. Amazon is pretty much holding strong pretty well. At $230 per share, went up to 242, 249, and now it's pulling back to 230. We need to keep an eye on, are we going to hold this on the 1-year chart? We know that we are trading between $212 all the way up to 250. We still have a lot of leg room to go down here. Looking at this 230 down to 212. So I definitely would be watching that, watching this level as we potentially sell off here. What else are we watching over here? Google stock. Google stock's pulling back here as well. You'll see a common pattern here with all of the Mag 7s. They're all pulling back. They all trade together. This is why you buy them on the dips. 340 down to 319. If we do break this 312, we could be potentially retesting this $300 level, which would be interesting. So I'd be watching right here, $300 on Google. Let's see if we get that this week. Let's go over PLTR. PLTR here going from 186 down to 168. Watching this level here as we go. Pulling back all the way to about $150 per share would be interesting. So PLTR is trading in the middle of this channel. So definitely keep an eye on that for now. So a few other stocks that you might not trade that much that are interesting. Open stock is trading at the bottom of the resistance zone right here, trading at $6.39. This is something that I would like to be watching. If we break the $6, let's see if we start to move lower. And then some stocks that are really holding up, you can look at AVGO, part of the semiconductors. I would be watching this level right here. We have been pulling back. We need to hold $330. If we don't hold $330 on AVGO, this may be a problem. So definitely make sure when you're trading these levels that you are watching this zone right here. All right, so 330 breaks, then what we're going to probably see is a massive sell-off. And that's what this is starting to look like on AVGO. 330, if we break, we're going to hang down maybe to 284. So definitely a good ways to go down on this one if we choose to. If you're looking to get into Bitcoin, you could always look into FETH. This is the Fidelity Ethereum Fund. Forming that bear flag, same thing. It just tracks. It's not like a 2 times leverage or anything like that. But if you want to buy in a Fidelity account, you could buy Ethereum straight through this. I believe it's trading at $29 per share right now. You know what stock is not dying that actually is showing still momentum is AMD. AMD really is like carrying the semiconductors on its back right now, and it is trading at the top of the channel, about to break resistance at $240 per share. AMD is definitely a stock that is very interesting to trade. So I like the style of this. If we can break above 240, this would be the only one, but you just got to be cautious that with the market moving down, this might be a negative catalyst. So it might drag it back down, but I'll be watching that 240 level. Let's see if we can break above that. And then what everybody likes to know is, how is NVIDIA doing? When you look at NVIDIA, NVIDIA is interesting. We're finally starting to sell off a little bit, and this is about time. We're waiting for it to just break this trend here. It's got to break 166. We're trading at the bottom of this right now. So if we can get below this, that would be fantastic. Need to watch. Let's see, 170. If we can retest that, that'd be nice. But ultimate level would be 166 on NVIDIA, pulling back from this range. All right, guys, I'm going to end the live stream on TikTok. I'll be on the YouTube, and then we'll switch over to the WAP. We're going to go over some of the trades that now I'm going to start looking to make for today. And that's going to be exclusive to the YouTube members and also exclusive to the WAP members. So if you want, click the link on the live stream, join the WAP, or join the YouTube membership, and you'll be able to get access to that. All right, let's switch this over to members only. I want to just bring over the members only tab now. Boom. Yeah, so we'll switch this one over. We're going to go over to just members only for this. And we're going to go over some of the trade ideas that we want to be breaking down. I don't know why it's not showing like this.